Today at Maple Lane, we're looking at a Champion C model. The Champion series are built on that galvanized steel chassis that's hot dipped. We've got anodized aluminum wall planks that have a double wall with an air pocket in the middle, and you have that gorgeous red metallic polyester roof. Champion C is just a basic horse box. We love this trailer if you're just going to move animals to the racetrack, or if you're a breeder and you're moving mares and foals. You can make this a full width stall for mare and foal by purchasing a chest bar and a rear bar that go from one wall to the other to make a big loose box. But this model also comes with the standard rear ramp entry, but also a door ramp combination. So you can have your horses step up, or you can have them ramp entry, always ramp exit, just safer. You've got 3 settings at the back to be able to shorten the stall. This is a warm blood size, so it's got 2 31-inch stalls, but the chest bars are positioned for horses that are 16 hands and taller. You can put in smaller horses if you want by lowering the chest bar and adding shavings or a rubber mat to the floor to raise up smaller breeds. There is no tack storage in this particular model. It's the C version, and it gives you a place to throw hay bales in the front or a small trunk. Comes with the cleanup crew, telescopic posts on both that shovel and the broom for your use. Hay net ring in the roof. You can also hang it off the bracket here. You can customize it with a bag if you like, to be able to put it on this wall or on the door. That's up to you. Tinted windows that pop out. It's a sunny day today, so you can see that you get good tinting for the horses. No glare, but fresh air that can come into the trailer. It comes with these chest bar pads and also the sidewall padding and the kick plate. Everything you see here is standard on the trailer. The only upgrade is that we've added the door ramp combination. So it swings back around and becomes a ramp, which we can see if I pass by these 2 trailers, and you'll see that there is a ramp on that side, on that trailer. So you get both on this Champion C. Metallic red here at Maple Lane, a 2023 Böckmann Champion C.